Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about ice2art.com review? If yes, then watch this video, as people from United States and United Kingdom are very curious to know about the legitimacy. ice2art.com is an online shopping store that is selling multiple products as per the convenience of your choice. Like if you are a shoe lover, then the website has really good collection that can convince the buyer to buy it at any cost. They are selling the products for men's shoes, clothing, kids shoes, women clothing, movement shoes. But before making online shopping nowadays, you must know about the legitimacy. So let's help us to share the details of this website. It is https secure website. They have mentioned the email address, but that is not matching the domain name, and it is not a good sign. They have mentioned the physical address, but no contact detail have been shared. For shipping may take 5 to 9 days, which include processing and shipping time. Parcels are insured in case of any damage, and the parcel will be reshipped. The additional cost is applied for express shipping. Payment mode is not mentioned on the website. Order cancellation and refund policy is not mentioned. The website has good reviews. They offer up to 50% off till 6th October 2021. The positive point of the website are email address and physical address have been shared. HTTPS protocol detected. Orders could be tracked online. SSL technology secured personal information. Good customer reviews are found on the website. The negative point are the contact number is not found. No pages are available on social media. Return, cancellation and payment methods and details are not mentioned. So here may question come in our mind as a buyer, that is it legit or a scam. As we have discussed, it was created on 13 September 2021. Newly created website with trust score of 1%. HTTPS protocol detected, which means it is safe. No page for social media links are available for this website. Positive reviews found on the website, but no reviews on any other reviewing site could be found for this website. So we can say that as customer reviews help us a lot to decide about the legitimacy, and when we check out the reviews on the website holds positive review, but in contrary to other platform, we could not find any customer reviews or feedbacks on other website. So in our final verdict, we can say that the website has a very low trust score, which makes the buyer doubtful regarding website. And this website also has short expectancy, which means it is very young in the online industry. Offers and discounts they are offering are making it suspicious, so we are not recommending you at all to buy anything from this store. But if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store and reviews, please share in the comment box. We love to hear from you.